Hey guys, hey guys, this is the Mrs. Hot Manna Minute here today with my husband. We're going to demonstrate 3 different types of multi-tools to see which one would be best suited for your survival needs. So, without further ado,
right,
Matthew.
If you don't have a multi-tool, it'd probably be really wise to get one, especially the days to come. You can use it for a variety of purposes, which we're going to demonstrate on this video today. But also, we understand that, like, money's tight. You know what I mean? I get that. All these multi-tools here I've had for a few years, except for this one. Lisa just bought this for me with her stimulus. Thank you, Lisa.
You're welcome, baby.
Yeah. So anyways, we're going to review all of these. This one's super cheap. You can get at Walmart. It's the Gerber M600. This one's like middle class, middle price. It's the Leatherman Wave. It's a pretty good tool. And then top of the line is Surge. But let's put them all to the test to see what holds up and what doesn't. So, all right, let's get started.
All right, awesome.
Top one up is the Gerber M600. This thing comes with this Gerber sheath, which I love. I take these Gerber sheaths and put my Leathermans in it. See, the Leathermans come with these, which is okay. It's actually, the Gerber's way better. The Leatherman one's MOLLE compatible, but the Gerber one just has these 2 little belt loops. You can put it like high on your belt or low on your belt. And they're just really durable. Like I had one of these hopping trains for years and it didn't even get a rip in it. They're just really good sheaths. The sheath's better than the tool, I think. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. First test, we're cutting metal wire. So on all of these, you have a plier option. Here, you want to zoom in on this?
Sure.
On our plier option, you see right here, we got cutters. Notice how on the Gerber, you can't change it out. Now on some of the Leatherman options, you can. So if this gets dull, you're sort of in trouble. What you could do is take a file and just run a file through there to sharpen it up.
Awesome.
So let's cut this metal wire, see how it holds up. Ready? I can't even get it in there. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's like butter.
Yay, awesome.
Wow, I was surprised. Honestly, I didn't think the Gerber was going to cut that good, but this thing cuts like butter. And I've had this multi-tool for like 2 years. I guess it's sort of an unfair test. I've had it for a while and it's holding up pretty good.
Have you done a lot of cutting with that particular part of the multi-tool?
No, not really.
Okay.
It just sat in my gear for 2 years.
Cool.
Okay, so as you can see, the Gerber
awesome.
cuts good. Let's try the Leatherman Wave.
Which is like, go ahead, sorry.
The wire cutters are just like the Gerber. They're just a little bit better. And they have a wire splicing option where the arrow is for like cutting regular stereo wire, which we're gonna do in a minute. So let's see how it cuts metal wire. Yeah, that cuts really good. And the pliers on this are a little bit more needle nosy.
Would you say it cuts the same or better?
A little bit better. So you can tell by the cut. Look at the cuts.
Oh yeah.
It's cleaner. You see, then the Gerber's a little bit more rough.
Can you separate that and see? So I can see. Oh, okay. Oh yeah,
see, this
yeah.
was the Leatherman. This was the Gerber.
Okay.
Yeah.
Amen.
Now this obviously has replaceable wire cutters and strippers, and this is gonna. There we go. Wow. What I am surprised to see is how the pliers are bigger on the Leatherman, so it's harder to get them in this little tiny hole.
Versus the other leather.
The other Leatherman just slid right in there because they're smaller. These are bigger pliers, though. See, I can't even get it in there. Wow. So, look at the size of the plier.
Wow.
This is smaller, so you can fit into smaller surfaces, where this is more big and industrial. I can't even get it in there to cut it. I was surprised, huh?
So for this test, which one won?
The Leatherman Wave kicked butt on that test.
Okay, all right.
Wow. All right.
All right, so far the Wave is in the lead. Yeah. All right, cool.
All right, next test, we're going to cut the wire and then strip the wires. So it's going to be like a 2-part test to see which one works better.
Awesome.
We're going to start again with the Gerber, but I can already tell you it's going to cut, but it ain't going to strip because our Leatherman has a stripping feature in the cutters that the Gerber does not offer. So let's see. Ready?
Okay, cool. Wait.
First, we're going to cut it. Cuts great.
Perfect.
Right? But so when it comes to stripping, it's just going to slice your wires. So it's like not good because it's there's no wire splicer. You just have to carefully use it, which is sort of pointless.
Can you do it at all, or?
Not really, without cutting it. So
Okay, so
that's like half a point. We're gonna give it a 1 out of 2 points possible. How about that?
Okay.
All right. So there's 2 points possible on this test. It has to cut and strip to get both points.
Okay.
Next up, Leatherman wave. Let's see. Will it cut? That's great. And it even holds the piece. That's cool. And then let's see, does it strip? Dang, I sort of need help on this one.
What can I do to help?
Hold on. Stripping is not that easy with the wave. Here, can you hold the wire so I can rub
Sure,
it?
of course.
Like hold, yeah. There we go. So you got to do a full 360. See? It's not that easy with this. There, stripped it.
Okay, let's get. Okay, so the wire is stripped, so amen.
So it cut and stripped. This passes both points, but barely. This
Okay.
one only passed one. Now let's try the Leatherman Surge, the big boy that can't even fit in the gate. Cuts like butter. Oh wow. Get it all the way around. I feel it popping. Look at that.
So,
This one, and it holds the wire too.
okay.
So that got a 2 out of 2 also.
Okay, would you say the wave also got a 2 out of a 2?
Barely, but yeah.
So which one won that contest?
Obviously the Surge.
Okay, so I'm going to mark
It-
Surge for the winner on that one.
It took the wire off comfortably. Where the wave took the wire off, but it was uncomfortable. You had to fight it, but it
Okay.
couldn't take it off. So you can cut and splice wires with those 2 multi-tools. The Gerber does not splice at all, but it does cut.
Okay, so we'll say the winner for that particular test was the Surge.
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, cool.
So we got 3 tallies to 2 to 1. So far, the wave's winning.
All right.
Next test. What do you want to do? You want to cut this? Cut up this
Sure.
front side?
Yeah. Absolutely. We turn these Trump signs into Jesus signs, you know what I'm saying? We cover them up.
Thank you, Arnie.
Yeah, thank you, Arnie.
Arnie, if you're watching this video, sorry to cut up your little mat here, bud. I'll replace it. So to cut this, let's first try with the wire cutters. Okay, that's not gonna work.
So this is the Gerber, right?
Yeah, so that's
Oh, because
not-
they don't have scissors, correct?
They don't have scissors on this one, so we're gonna have to take the knife.
Dang.
So there's your knife option.
Okay.
I gotta be careful. Oh, that sort of cuts good.
Okay. Ooh, it seems like it. Yeah, don't cut your finger again. Please,
Can you
here.
hold it?
Yeah, sure, of course.
Okay, it cuts. It cuts. Barely. I'm not even gonna. Oh, wait, there it goes.
Oh.
Okay.
So it does cut.
Let's cut. We could. I think that was the only option we could have used on here. Okay.
Okay,
next.
cool. But it does not have scissors.
Correct.
All right.
This one has scissors.
Amen.
Wow, the wave has scissors.
Let's see. They're little. They're little.
Or what?
Nothing.
So look at this. Snips it. We snipped our cardboard.
Okay.
See how our knife runs.
Cool.
Ooh, I forgot. This one has this feature that the Gerber doesn't have. When I was a janitor, I used to use this to cut cardboard boxes, and it cuts cardboard like butter.
Sweet. Are we
Yeah.
gonna do that?
Yeah, might as well. Huh?
Yeah.
I got the feature. I might as well use it.
Cool. I want to see this butter. Oh, dang. It
I used
does.
to use this when I was a janitor at a soup kitchen. Let's try it.
Amen.
All right, ready?
Cool.
And the Surge got that cardboard knife on there, and it's mean. It's just a serrated knife.
Okay.
Look at that one. It's like the beast.
Let's do that one and the scissors. Is that okay?
Look at that.
Oh my gosh. That was like ridiculously easy.
Okay, Surge takes the cake on that one.
Well, can we do the scissors since you got
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
All right,
I
cool.
don't want to cut up all these sides, so let's, here, hold that.
Amen.
Yeah, we used the scissors on the one, huh? Oh yeah, I forgot. The Surge has it so nice that the scissors are part of the main function.
Oh, those look a little bit bigger too.
They are. See, they click into place.
Let's see. Okay,
Ready?
cool.
I'm gonna cut right on the blue line. They're like industrial scissors. Whoa. I mean, this isn't thin material by any means. This is like... It's cutting. It's a little rough. It's cutting.
Do you think the other...
these scissors?
Yeah.
They won't even work on
Let's try it. Let's give it a fair test.
These are like little, compared to that scissors. And the wave.
Oh, those are like
these are
manicure.
like little facial groomers, you know what I mean?
Okay.
I guess not even getting cut. Well, barely. I can feel it's gonna break this.
Okay, yeah. All right, cool. So let's tally this one up, yeah?
I think the surge took that 100%.
Okay.
So we'll give the surge a tally.
All right, amen. All right, so far we got the wave and the surge there in lead for first. All right.
Next, sawing. We're gonna saw PVC and then we'll saw wood.
Ooh.
So on the Gerber, we have this little saw here.
Let me see. Now, is that blade replaceable?
No, none of these are on the Gerber.
Okay.
And they all lock with this thumb guard, which is sort of cool, but it sort of sucks because when your pliers are out, it limits your movement. This is all you're able to move. With the Leatherman, it's two separate functions, the plier.
Okay,
So
cool.
let's saw.
All right, what can I do to help?
Ready?
Yeah.
I don't know, man. Hold on. Dude, I would be at this all day. Yeah, this saw, look, zoom in on it. It is barely, it's not that good, you know what I'm saying? I mean, it will work if you're in a pinch. It beats a blink. All right, so
Alright, cool.
that's the Gerber saw line.
All right, cool.
Check out the wave.
No.
All right, so the wave, here it is. It's got a mean old saw on it compared to the Gerber, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
That's a mean old saw right there. So let's start a whole new line so we can give it a fair shot.
Cool.
So right next to it. And I've used this saw in the field, so it's got a little bend to it. So and I haven't sharpened it or anything, so it's dull. So even that's good, you know what I mean?
Let me hold it.
Careful.
Okay.
Alright, as you can see, the Gerber line, the wave line.
Now, are those replaceable?
No.
Oh.
Nope.
But it has more functionality because...
Now we take
Okay.
the beast. Oh, and this is another thing, a feature on this one. It's got the diamond file and the file, but to put a saw on this one, you gotta flip the little... Hold on a minute. I like using this because my fingers are all messed up.
Oh, you switch it out.
Yeah, it switches.
Cool.
Hold on, I gotta figure out. I've only done this one time, so
Oh,
I
cool.
just got it, you know?
It's a good how-to video.
There it goes. So you just push that little tabby up. You slide the little thing over.
Can I help in any way?
There it is.
Cool.
Take our file out.
Awesome.
And it comes with this. This is the one that comes with it when you buy it.
Comes with all these little things, so...
There's a saw. Look at that thing.
Let me see. Dang.
You could take a thin saw, put it in there.
It's a fin saw.
Or like, what do you call them? I can't even think right now. Man.
Alrighty then.
There.
Cool.
All right, ready?
Yeah, sure.
So we got the Gerber. You want to hold it right there?
Sure.
Back a little bit. We got the Gerber, we got the wave, and now here's the surge. Oh, that goes good. Actually, to be honest with you, the wave one cut better than the surge. There you go. So
Is that
show
the only blade available for that?
There's the three. For cutting PVC.
Okay. And that was the only saw blade that came with your surge?
Yeah.
Cool. Alright. Alright, now what test are we going to do now?
We see how the screwdriver function works on it. Got a screwdriver on a Gerber.
Awesome.
Hammered these in. It works okay. It's going in.
Is there different heads? Like,
Well, there is on these other ones. Let's see. So this screws, that works.
does it have a flathead too option or?
No, just the one.
It just has a
Actually,
Phillips?
you know what? I think there is a can opener. Yeah, there is a flathead option. Take that back.
Cool.
Right there.
All right,
Two
amen.
little flathead options.
So 2 flatheads.
3. Small, medium, and large on the flathead options on this.
And
one
then,
of them's a bottle opener.
Awesome. And then what about the Phillips? Just one?
Just one, yeah.
Okay, cool.
So this, the wave, this little thing pops out, which I love about these LEATHERMANs.
Ooh.
And then all these come with the surge or the wave kit, and these all fit in this one little thing. So let's see.
Okay.
This has a better grip too. And what I like about this when you're screwing, if you wanted to, like turn it into an actual screwdriver.
Wow.
Let's try this screw.
Here, you want me to hold it? You got it.
I got it. Yeah, it's going. Actually, I didn't handle that one. Alright, that's good.
Here. Got it?
Alright. Next, the surge.
And you said that the wave comes with all the options to get all the bits too?
Although I think we're selling it on Amazon. The surge comes with this. I think the check the wave one. You can order these separate. You want to put the link in the video?
Sure.
If they want to order it separate, and it has a driver too. It's like, dude, you could on all the LEATHERMANs, so you could do it on the wave too. You take that out, and there's a driver in there for putting like ratchets and different tools in there.
Wow.
Yeah. So that's cool. The Gerber doesn't feature that. They all screw pretty good, so they'll all get a point for screwing. Let's do canned food next.
Okay. Well, do you think they all get an equal?
Yeah, they all work the same.
For a screw?
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right. All right, so now we'll do a can opener.
Yeah. Ready?
All right. We'll just keep it rolling.
So we'll start with the Gerber. This is expired, like super expired.
But the food?
This is like, dude.
Lynn.
We'll leave it out for the raccoons to eat tonight.
No.
Dude, this is really. I got this one.
Don't we have bears around here?
I think this is from like 2015.
Really?
Yeah. Oh!
What?
I don't know.
I'm going to mark these points.
I think it says expired.
So
in 93.
Gerber gets one. Wave is actually winning. Oops.
Alright, ready?
Yes.
Can opener.
Which one's this? The Gerber?
Yeah.
Is it expired?
Yeah, it's really expired. So the Gerber works okay. So we gotta dig into it, but it works. Let's try the wave. This one has a very nice can opener. I can tell because look at the design. Look at the design in the two. See how this has a more of an angled edge to it?
Oh,
That's
wow.
gonna make it super easy for opening.
Okay.
And I like how it closes.
Yeah, you do that fancy with one hand. So if you're injured in the field,
Look at
you
that.
know?
It's like an actual can opening machine.
Wow.
See
Make
that?
this sound.
So there's that.
Very cool.
I haven't even tried this one yet. Ooh. I haven't even checked this out yet. So it's next to the screwdriver. I think it's the same as the wave, just bigger.
Okay, let's see.
Let's see.
Cool.
Yeah, it is. It's the same as the wave, just bigger.
All right.
Dude, I'm not trying to be biased, but I think the wave was smoother.
Yeah, it
This is
seemed
like
like it.
bigger.
It seems like you're struggling a little bit.
Yeah, the wave was way smoother. This is bigger, it makes it more bulkier and harder.
All right, so
Even though
they
I like this one more.
so they all get one, but it's gonna say the wave is the best.
I think that just the wave should get a tally for that.
Okay, cool.
Because I struggled with the other two.
All right.
Next,
What's our next test? Any?
let me think.
Okay. All right, so we did a total of, it looks like 6 tests. And out of all of them, we're going to give the wave the winner of them all. So we're going to go ahead and feature these down in the description with the link so you can check it out if you want to go ahead and purchase them from Amazon. So what would you say is the best?
I like the Surge best, but the wave operates best.
Why do you like the Surge best?
It's just because it's bigger and it's newer.
Okay. And it does come with all those.
It's not like reflective like the Wave is.
Okay.
But I found this Wave on eBay for like $40.
Oh, okay. Amen.
Used? Too, yeah.
Okay.
So, I mean,
cool. Amen.
Pocket size. You can even buy a clip for these and clip them on your belt. So.
Now, and you said it can come with the option.
Everything that the Surge has, you can get that on the Wave.
Okay. Cool. All right. Well, thanks for doing this video. And we hope you enjoyed it, guys. And may Jesus Christ bless you.
Bye.
Bye.